In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up channels in the system so that you can set up a support email, and whenever someone sends an email to that support email address, it will create a ticket here within the system. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm here in my help desk and we're going to navigate over to setup over here on the left-hand side. And then we're going to come here to channels. And now I'm going to add my first channel. So let's go ahead and select the type, which is email. And then I'm going to put in that email address. So this is going to be the email address that you own and that you're going to set up forwarding for. So this is going to be support@demo.com. And then we can move on to selecting a department. You don't have to select a department, but if you want to specify that these help desk tickets are coming through the support email, then we're going to go ahead and create a new department. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new department, and I'm going to call this the support email department, and I'm going to select my agents, and I'm going to leave the rest of that alone, and I'm going to just select my default form for this and hit save. All right, and then you can go ahead and set your priority. I'm going to leave it as auto. Now the next part that comes in, we need to make sure that any emails that are sent to this email address, again, that we own, that is dedicated to receiving these kinds of support tickets, and we are going to set up forwarding using the system email. So you are going to go to your email provider, if it's Gmail, Zoho, whichever one it is that you use, and you are going to set up forwarding and use this system email address as the forwarding address. So you're going to set that up. Now, I obviously can't walk through all of the different email providers and show you how to set them up individually. So you will need to do a little bit of Googling or message our support team to get help with that if you're struggling. But they are all a little bit different. And so obviously I can't show you step by step how to set it up in every single one. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and hit save. And so now anyone who sends an email to this email address, that is then going to be created as a new ticket here within our help desk. So that is how you can set up channels in the system so that you can receive help desk tickets from an external email.